So for those of you who have been asking me, how exactly can you start trading? Well, here is a video for you on how you can start trading. Be you want to be a day trader, swing trader, or any sort of trading at all you want to do. Here are the procedures to follow if you want to start trading and start making money from trading. So in this video, this guide is a full guide regardless of the asset you want to trade. Be it crypto, forex, CFD, this is the full guide you need to actually start trading. So hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to Forex, Crypto and Forex. On this channel I mainly talk about how you and I can make money trading the crypto and forex market. So be you a forex trader or a crypto trader, trust me, this is one of the best family you need to be among to actually start trading and learn every single knowledge you need to start making money trading. So if this sounds like you, why not smash that subscribe button and like this video, and I'm going to share with you the 7 simple steps you need to follow to start trading today. Like after watching this video to the very end, you can get started with your trading career today and probably start making some money depending on how disciplined you are in few months to come. So that already said, let's get started. I want to make this. So the first thing to do when you want to start trading is simply pick what you want to trade. So when it comes to trading, we have a lot of markets that you can trade. So some of the best markets and most available markets that you can trade is simply the forex market, crypto market, CFD, stock market, options, ETF. So there are a lot of markets that you can actually start trading if you want to start trading. So the first thing you need to do here is to decide which of this market do you want to trade. And for you to be able to decide which of this market you want to trade, first of all, you need to do a deep research to find out which of this market will best fit for the kind of person you are and why you should start trading them. So if you ask me personally to recommend a market to you, I'm going to recommend only the crypto and forex market. In the stock market, those 3 markets, I personally trade crypto, forex, and stock, but I trade more of crypto and forex. So I'm going to be honest with you. That's why this channel, I create more content on crypto and forex alone. So that is the point number 1. Is simply decide which market you want to trade. Because being able to find the market you want to trade has given you an edge that, one, you know where you are heading to, and you know the sort of knowledge you need to start trading in that industry. So that is the first thing here. Simply pick the market you want to trade and learn more about the market so you can plan your way on how you can get started with the trading. So now you've picked the market you want to trade. Now the next thing you need to pick is simply the broker you want to use and the platform you are actually going to use to trade. And most of the time your broker will determine the platform you use, because not all brokers work with our platform. So in case you don't understand what I mean by broker here, a broker is simply where you are actually going to deposit your money, and the platform is where you are going to make your analysis, where you are going to get as much tools as you need to make analysis to start trading. Because you don't, as much as the market is explained in general terms as a buy and sell market, it's not always a buy and sell market directly if you don't know your way around the shaft. So when you come here, so some of the best brokers when it comes to crypto or forex trading, simply the ones I'm displaying on your screen right now, those are the best brokers that you can use to trade forex, CFD. So most of those brokers contain a lot of platforms that you can use. And if you're looking for the top best that I've listed and shared with a lot of people, then you can check the video down in the comment section. In that video, I list some of the best brokers you can use to start trading today. So now you understand what broker is. It's simply where you're going to deposit your money and start trading with. And then when we talk about platform for trading, a platform is a system like MetaTrader or TradingView. So currently I'm open into TradingView. So I use both TradingView and MetaMask simultaneously depending on the market I'm trading. The reason is that the MetaTrader 5 have limited tools that I can actually use to trade, but over here on TradingView I have a lot of tools that I can use to predict the market and then to make sure that I'm always entering at the right spot. But nothing is right in any of the ways either. So that is simply the platform is where you are going to make your analysis and probably connect your broker directly to it. Like inside TradingView right now, over here, FCSM, and then Oanda is currently linked to TradingView right now. And when you go over to my MetaTrader, SNES is linked to it. You can see. So when I link them like that, I can trade from there directly into those trading brokers, because most of the brokers lack tools that you can actually use to do detailed analysis. And in case they don't even lack tools, their interface is not the best interface to use for trading. Most of them don't have the best cleanest interface for trading. So to customize your trading interface the way you want, you need an external trading platform. So that is about the point number 2. You simply get a broker, get a platform, and then you move to the point number 3, because I'm sharing every single thing in a chronological order so that you can follow each of them. Step 1, step 2, step 3 till we get to the final end. Now let's move to the third point on our list on how you can start trading. So now, assuming you are done with the point 1 and point number 2, which is determine which market you want to trade. Secondly, looking for a broker and a trading platform. The next thing is that you need a strategy to trade. So when it comes about the trading strategy, there are a lot of strategies out there. Almost every trader has his own strategy. So most people, when they just get started into forex trading, they won't even go and learn about any trading strategy. They won't build their own trading strategy. They just get into a demo account and start trading, and that is a big no. So that's a big error. Make sure you don't try it at all. So if you want to be in the right path of trading, make sure you take your time, find a working strategy, and in the point 4 and 5, you are going to find what actually makes a strategy a valid strategy that you can use. So when it comes over to trading strategy, we have the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, Fibonacci, which is not really a trading analysis, but that's a tool that you can actually use to trade. So there are a lot of trading opportunities and trading strategies out there that you can go and learn and start trading with. And this is really important. And the next thing to add to your trading strategy is simply determine which type of trader you are, because the type of trader you are will determine some of the analytics you are actually going to use to start trading. So talking of the type of trader, we have intraday trader, which is also known as the day trader. We have the swing trader. Those are the people who set trade down and leave it. And we also have the scalpers as well. So regardless of any trader you are, these are the things you need to start trading. So the point number 3 here is simply find a working strategy and make sure you work on it to make sure the point number 3 and the point number 4 and 5 tag it as a best strategy before you start using it. So the point number 4 is simply, now that you've gotten a strategy, you need to confirm if that strategy is working. And the only way to confirm if that strategy is working is simply using a backtesting tool to test. So what I mean by backtesting is that these are tools that allows you to trade back in time. So for example, a tool like Backtester 5 or Forex Tester 5 will actually help you to pick any particular year so that it displays the market to you in that year. So for example, in Forex Tester 5, you can switch to 2018, then you pick the year, like the month you want to trade, the day. So it will start showing you the chart on that particular day that you've set into the system so that you can test your strategy to see if your strategy is working. So what you're actually doing here is that you are backtesting and then recording your trades at the same time. Because if the strategy can win you let me say 15 out of 20 trade, then it's a good strategy that you should work on. Even if you win you just 6 out of 10, it's a good strategy, but you still need to keep working on it to make it a great strategy. So that's simply about the point number 4 here. Simply backtest your strategy several times using backtesting tool. So as I just said, backtesting is simply trading back in time. The reason why you have to backtest is that if you want to get started with a demo account today, one, you cannot trade instantly, because with this one you have to analyze the market, wait for it to come and hit your point where you want to, your entering point before you enter the market. But with the backtesting tool, it's simply a data that has already happened in the past. So it's just a replay. So you can start testing your strategy with a replay. You can pause it, then analyze the market, play, put your stop loss, take profits, and then see how the trade goes. If it goes in your favor, then your strategy is working. But if it doesn't and you keep failing out without your strategy, keep testing it until you find out the reason why you've been failing with this strategy. And once you are trading, make sure you take record so that you get to know if your strategy is good or not. If it's not working, come on, get back on YouTube, get back on Google, get forex books, then start building strategies. And this doesn't mean you should be jumping from one strategy to another. No, get a valid strategy, stick to it, force it to work, because when you start working on that strategy repeatedly, it will eventually work, because you'll be able to highlight your mistakes and then work on them. That's why you need to take record whilst you are back testing also. So that's about the fourth point here. Simply backtest your strategy to make sure it's valid before you start trading. So now we've gone through a lot of steps. Now you have the market you want to trade, you've gotten your broker and your platform, you've gotten a valid strategy, you've gotten some knowledge about the strategy. Now you need to use a demo account So what I mean by a demo account is now that you want to trade the real market of the current day, the current year, the current week, the current month. So you want to trade the current market right now. So now it's time for you to bring back all those knowledge that you've acquired from the stage 1 to the stage 4 into the stage 5 right now. It's simply testing in a real account. So what I mean by testing in a real account is simply not you depositing the money, but simply the broker you are using is going to offer you, some brokers offer you a minimum of 10,000, a maximum of 10,000 US dollar for free. You cannot withdraw it. It's a free balance for you to actually start trading. And like there are a lot of brokers that will offer you like that. So in this way, now that you've seen that your strategy is working in your demo, in your backtesting system, now you can put into testing the real market also with the demo account. And if you are still winning continuously, like on a scale of 10 trade, you win a minimum of 6 out of 10 back to back, that's to tell you that your strategy is in line. So you can keep up with that strategy. And if it's still getting that sort of result with your demo trading account, that simply means that you are prepared for the market, and then you cannot move to the next point before you actually start trading with your real account. So that is about the point number 5 here. Simply, now that you've gotten the knowledge, you've gotten a strategy, you backtest that strategy repeatedly, now it's time for you to test it with a real account. Now you might ask me, why don't I just allow you to test it with a real account instead of backtesting? Here is it. With real accounts, like testing with real, what I mean by real account is simply your demo account. Real market is what I'm referring to. So the reason why you need to backtest before you use the real market is that with the backtesting, you can backtest up to 20 to 30 different trades in a single day. Meanwhile, in a real trade, it doesn't work like that, because the backtesting is a data that's already been stored, so you are just replaying that data to test it with your strategy if it's working. Meanwhile, the demo account is simply you are trading the real market, the current market of the current date. That's what you are trading, meaning the procedure will be totally different from that of the backtest. That's why you need to backtest it. If it worked in that year, meaning it can still work in this year. So if it's working, then that's to tell you that you now have a valid strategy. It's time for you to stick to it and then push it up to get to the pro trading level also. So the point number 6 is time for you to put your real knowledge, like the knowledge you've acquired from stage 1 to stage 5, into work. This is by depositing your hard-earned cash. I know this one, trust me, that your emotions will be really be different, and your emotions will be treated in the point number 7. So now you need to deposit into your broker. So the broker has initially given you up to $10,000 plus for you to test your strategy. Now you've tested with their free money that they've given to you, the paper funds that they've given to you, and you see that your strategy is working. Now it's time for you to also deposit your real money so that you can also start trading. So once you start trading with your real money, then you can really build yourself well, because with your demo account, you are just trading paper funds. You cannot withdraw, nothing you can do with those funds. So now that you've acquired all those knowledge, it's time for you to put it to work. So you need to sit down. Now trading with your real account, I know everything is going to be different, because whilst trading with the demo account, you are not afraid of losing out on the market. Like, you don't care if you lose or not, because you are trading with a free account, you are not losing out money. But when it comes over here, now you need to deposit your real money because you are ready for the business. As much as I gathered all of this information into one single video, it will not take you 1 month to do it. It will take you like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months to 1 year time, depending on how disciplined you are, to actually get to this level of trading with your real account. So that is about the point number 6 here. Simply now put your knowledge to work by trading with your real account. And when trading with your real account, make sure you learn risk management techniques so you don't get to lose more, and make sure you don't deposit more than you are willing to lose, because this is the principle of the trading market. Any money that you deposited into your broker, any money that has successfully been deposited into your broker, does not belong to you anymore. It belongs to the market. Until you withdraw it, it's not your money. So before you go there and start depositing, make sure you are not depositing funds that if you lose it, you are going to lose out on other important things you need to do with it. So before you start depositing it, make sure it's a money that you can lose free-minded. Like, if you lose that money, you're not going to be moved by anything. Make sure you confirm that before you actually deposit that real cash into that real broker and start trading with your real funds. So now, talking of the point number 7, which is the final, is simply continue watching YouTube videos, take trading courses, build your trading knowledge by reading more trading books, and this one will help you grow faster. And on my Telegram channel, I've actually given out a free book called The Naked Forex. Naked Forex is one of, whether you are trading crypto or forex, trust me, that book is going to help you understand the market a lot. So if you need that book, don't forget to check that in the description. Join my Telegram channel so that you get access to that free ebook and start reading book related to trading. That book originally cost almost $60 on Amazon. I got it and I shared it with my community on Telegram so that they can start building their trading knowledge. And alongside trading, I can do other giveaways, like give them books, give them access to free courses, maybe once in a month host them on a live lecture on those who are available and teach them my own trading strategies. And